Hello guys, my name is Mary and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today it's Saturday morning on me. Time check is 11:57 in the morning and we are not going out today. Instead, we are just planning to cook in the house. Our menu is very easy, quick and very cheap kind of menu. So the name of this menu is Slice Slim Pork Belly. So let's figure out how to cook this one. And please don't go away. Please keep watching. I'll be right back.
살면 맛있어요? 아니면 맛이 없어요? 맛있어요? mushroom, romaine lettuce, sesame leaves, pupunta ko eh. What's that?
소금하고 참기름
That is a toast. Red pepper paste, right? Samjang. Red pepper paste, right, Chakyat? I mean green pepper paste.
So I truly hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Thank you so much for your kindness and support. You're all the best friend I call best for. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button so that you will notify and updated anytime if I have a new video. Thank you so much once again. I love you all and God bless. Greetings and shout out from the bottom of my heart and some requests that I read in a comment. I always check all the comments on my video below and I appreciate all you guys. Shout out to XDC Vlog, Piran Imoto Vlog, Panlasang Ilocano, Planet 4, Life with Fighting Dogs, and of course, Kim Vlog TV. Thank you so much guys for supporting my video and visiting my channel, and please subscribe all the friends that I mentioned of this video. See you again for my next vlog. Thank you so much.